let's do this. Focus on my face. Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be going through how to write a song when you don't play or can't play an instrument. I have recently suffered a pretty brutal thumb injury, which means I can't play guitar very well at the moment. I have to hold it like. Kind of. So I thought it would be a great opportunity to take this week's video as writing a song without an instrument, seeing as I can't play my instrument to write a song. I'm going to be running through 3 specific ways you can do this. The first 2 I will just talk through, maybe demonstrate a few things. The third we are going to use to write a song on today's video. So let's jump into it. Okay, the first way you can write a song without an instrument is using what's called license-free instrumentals. If you go online and type in license-free instrumentals onto Google or YouTube, you'll find plenty of different options to choose from. License-free, what does that mean? License-free music has no copyright, which means it's open source, which means it's open to anyone to use. So an example of writing a song with this could be you find an instrumental that you like the sound of, check that it's license free, and then you just start writing melodies and lyrics over the top. It's very common in rap and hip hop to do this. Quite often the producer of the license free music will probably ask for credit, but that's about it. A way to take this one step further would be to download the instrumental, put it onto some music software, and start to chop and cut it up. This way you could structure the song to whatever you want. This is a great way of writing songs, but it doesn't leave you with a whole lot of freedom. Okay, the second way you could write a song without an instrument is using royalty-free loops or Apple loops. Apple loops are lots of different sounds that come with the music software on Apple computers, so GarageBand and Logic Pro. There are other brands of loops. There are just royalty-free loops online that you can download. So how do you use Apple loops? Well, they're a library of lots of different instruments, sounds. They span across lots of different genres, lots of different styles. You can import them into a Logic or GarageBand project and then loop them round to build your own song. In a future video, I will give a tutorial to how this works. Some really famous producers do use Apple loops. A really well-known song that famously uses Apple loops is Rihanna, Umbrella. Jay-Z stuck a drum loop in there. I think it's called Vintage Kit 3 or something. Again, this way of doing things takes some learning, but it does leave you with a bit more freedom than finding a already made instrumental. And it's great fun. The third way I recommend writing songs without an instrument is to become the instrument. And that's what we're going to do in today's video. The human is an instrument. You have a voice, you have limbs, you have ways of making sounds. And we can make songs using all these things. So today, that's what we're going to do, with or without a thumb. Okay, I've got my recording set up here, and I'm going to use that as my kind of tool. We're going to approach this song like any other song. It's still going to be structured, it's still going to be verses and choruses. We are just not going to use any instruments. And this is something you can do. Now, what I am going to show you is a sort of technique taken from loop pedal artists. So, where you loop something round and round and it kind of continues throughout the song. So the first thing we're going to do for this song is we're going to think of a line that could loop the entire song. I'm going to write a song. I'm going to write a song. I'm going to write a song. Or something like that. And what we'll do is record that in and then we'll double it up and we'll get that looping. And then we'll start putting like a beat to it, whether that's like a hitting the chest or a I don't know. We're just going to see what happens, okay? Now you don't need to be able to sing to do this. You could make some kind of spoken word or rap. You don't need to be a singer. Bob Dylan is the greatest singer yet. He can't sing. You don't need to be able to sing. You just need to find your style. Okay, let's get something down. Let's get a tempo. So we want like a 1, 2, 3, Okay, 120. Maybe I should start with that. Let's get that recorded down. Okay, we've got the maybe something like that. It always sounds better if you double it up. Always. That's a free tip from me. How about we use the line, I am the instrument, I am the instrument, I am the instrument. Now we've got an idea going, we can start to think about what we're going to do structurally. If this was the kind of intro / chorus, I am the instrument, then we can build that up to sound more chorus worthy using what we've got. We could then drop things down and make a verse, go back into a chorus. So let's start building it like we build any other song. So because this is a chorus, I'm going to build this section up. So I've got I am the instrument, so I'm going to maybe double that up, add a harmony, and add some kind of like, ooh, we'll find out. I am the instrument, I am the instrument. Maybe the harmony on every other one, so the second and the fourth one. I am the instrument. I think it could be I am the instrument, I am the instrument, I'll make noise. I'll make noise. Duh, 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 duh. This is how you make songs. You just riff until something comes out. I'll make noise. I don't always hold tune when I sing, but that doesn't matter. This is all about process. We can polish it all in production. Always double up, always. I'll make noise. Add an octave to that. I'll make noise. Okay, so we've got a chorus. Maybe we'll leave this chorus kind of bare, because it's the intro. And then we'll throw in a verse, and then when we come back to the chorus after the verse, we'll fill it up with a few more chest beats, maybe a whistle. Be creative. Just use what you've got. I could even use the dead thumb, but I won't because it hurts. I'll play what we've got so far, and I'll think. Now we need a verse. So we are the instrument, what are you doing? Something like that. If we were to go off this idea that this song is about the fact that you don't need an instrument, you are the instrument, we could say stuff like, I'm the instrument, you are listening to. I'll make the noise using my voice, using what I've got. Like that? I can't remember what I just said. I am the instrument you are listening to. I make the noise using my voice. Something that rhymes with to. Listen to what I do. I'll make the noise using my voice. Listen to what I do. Let's go with that. Let's just record it in, hope for the best. I am the instrument you are listening to. I make the noise using my voice. Listen to what I do. Okay, first part of the verse done. Just repeat it. Let's just repeat it. I am the instrument. Let's do another chorus. I am the instrument. I am the instrument. Double up. Always double up. I am the instrument. Okay, we've got to do the harmony. I am the instrument, I make noise. Now that chorus is a bit more familiar to me, I can just get it in one. So what you can do in these situations when you're writing a song is you record it down roughly whilst you're writing it, and then if you want to make it a more polished performance, just come back to it and re-record it, which we might do here because there's some rough takes. But I am the instrument, da 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 da. I think we change it up here. Let's like go into an alternative section and do something different. Just real mess it up. Maybe like go into an alternative section, then stick another chorus in, and then do like something mad at the end. This is how my brain works. Welcome to my world, man. I think now is the time to kind of use some beatboxing, some more alternative noises that aren't just singing. So I'm thinking like a boom, 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 boom. And I could have like a try it. Dum, dum, da dum, 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 da dum, dum. That'll do. I like that. I am here, you are there, listening to my voice. Let's do that. That sounds like a melody. I am here, you are there. I am here, you are there. That's like a rough middle section. Then we all go back to a chorus. Remember, with songwriting, there is no right or wrong. Like anything in life, it's a work in progress. So just continually work at it. When you come to finish it, it can be at any point. So you can continuously work and work and work until the original idea might sound completely different to what you finish with. Sometimes you might write a song and it will start and end very similar. Sometimes it will completely transform. This might happen today, we'll see. All right, let's take a listen to the section we just recorded and then decide what we're gonna do. Maybe we double it up. I am here, you are there, you are there. Now we need to go maybe into I am the instrument. Maybe we build up. Maybe because it comes down, we build up, we like layer up. I am the instrument, I am the instrument. Layering, 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 and then we'll decide what to do. Just making sections, just see. I'm gonna record that harmony. I am here, you are there. So it goes, it stops, and then it could have the build up. So it could just go, I am the instrument, and then another voice comes in to layer it up, and another voice comes in to layer it up. More beats, maybe some chest pounding, hum, 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 like that. And then we could have a big chorus at the end, which is I am the instrument going over the alternative section we just recorded. Let's do that. I am the instrument, I am the instrument, I am the instrument, I am the instrument. And a way we can make this sound really huge is layering up some octaves. So we'll do a lower one, we'll do a higher one. I think the sun just went in. I am the instrument. Always double up, always. I am the instrument. Okay, harmony onto it. I am the instrument. So then, if we build up some percussion with the mouth, and then we're gonna go into the da 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 da. Maybe I go, it goes, I am the instrument, I make noise. And then it just goes under a chorus with the word noise being whole. Cool, let's have a go. I make noise. I make noise. I make noise. Okay, now I just wanted to go into a big I am the instrument with the I am here, you are there underlying section. This is just how it works. Build, build, build. Have an idea, put it down, listen to it back, see what it sounds like. This is the story of songwriting. You don't need an instrument, you don't need anything. You just need to put ideas down. It really helps if you do have some recording software, but I will show you in a future video how to record using just your phone, because this can be done. I'm gonna record the rest of this in, and the next thing you'll hear is my song written using me as the instrument. Enjoy. I am the instrument. I am the instrument. I am the instrument. I am the instrument. I make noise. I am the instrument you are listening to. I make the noise using my voice. Listen to what I do. I am the instrument you are listening to. I make the noise using my voice. Listen to what I do. I am the instrument. I am the instrument. I am the instrument. I am the instrument. I make noise. I am here. You are there. 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 I am the instrument. 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 I make noise. I am the instrument here. I am the instrument there. I am the instrument here. I am the instrument there. I am the instrument